we on?
You're on.
Fantastic. This is Amber with Last Dance Gulch. This is Julie. This is 5 weeks of level 2 country swing two-step. This is our first week of level 2 two-step. We learned how to get into the promenade from an outside turn. We learned how to get out of the promenade with a tuck turn. And then we practiced our dips. So here we are in basic two-step position. And I'm just going to do a basic. And then I'm going to lead an outside turn, but I'm going to switch hands on her on the second quick and bring her to the right side of my body for promenade. It's going to look like this. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow. And we want to make sure that we have a really nice connection with her right shoulder. And then we're just going to travel like this for a while. Quick, quick, slow, slow, and quick, quick, slow, slow. Promenade. You can smile and shout at your buddy. We're going to come around and we're going to get out of it with a tuck turn. I like to use the metaphor of a book. We're going to open the book, we're going to close the book, and then we're going to do a cross-handed turn with a fan back into basic. So I'm going to use this strong connection that I have on her right shoulder with my right hand, and I'm going to open the book, I'm going to close the book, and then I'm going to come into this cross-handed turn, and we're going to land with some significant tension between us. And then I'm going to release that tension by bringing her hands over my head for a fan as I take my right hand and reconnect it on her mid-back to get back into basic two-step. And then we'll just keep traveling. So I'm going to do that all a little bit faster without talking as much. Promenade. And quick, slow, slow. Open the book, close the book, turn, fan, and quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And the song is coming to an end. Open position. Make sure to end it with a dip. And that is your week 1